Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find block people on Facebook. Or maybe you want to find your people you have blocked, or you want to unblock them, and you want to just view them to remember those that you have blocked on your Facebook. So let's get started. But before we go, please click the subscription. It helps me a lot. Thank you. Now let's continue. Open your Facebook. That's our Facebook. Now the next step is, sorry guys, let me show my tab. Click on this approval picture, then you click on your settings. Click on your settings here, and then you scroll down here, scroll down until you find your blocking. Click on blocking. And these are the block, those are the ones that you have blocked on your Facebook. So if you want to unblock anyone there, just click on unblock, and if you want to unblock anyone, you can just leave them here. So this is how you get to know all those ones you have blocked. And if you want to add to block list, just click on add to block list, and you can type the email, you can type a name, and you can just do anything to add to your block list. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.